Whoa! He's trying to eat the fish. All right, Ryder, you ready to go fishing? Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Fish Guy Josh. He's my son Ryder. This is father-son fishing. Today we're just giving Mom a break, getting out of the house, letting her be for a while we cruise around, do a little creek fishing, see how many different species of fish we can find. It's going to be fun. Ryder's going to be collecting shells, and we're going to do it all.
Wicked.
All right, Dad forgot the worms, so we're going to use our tiny little soft plastic today, okay? Let's see if we can find some fish.
There might be some fish in there or alligators.
Maybe, but we're gonna keep a close eye out, okay? Let's see. Yeah, pretty shallow right here, dude.
Pretty shallow?
Pretty shallow. Wow, yeah. Way shallow. Oh, that made a fish bite though. Reeling it in like that fast. That was cool. Yeah. Whoa, that was a cool thing. You found a lure? Let me see. Whoa, that's a crazy one. Huh.
It has eyes.
Oh, we had a bite too. That's a cool find, dude.
It has a fish still.
Yeah, that's a special thing to make the hook not get stuck in the weeds. That's a cool little, it's a little floating topwater bait there. Cool. Shall we go look at the bridge? Maybe we can hide under the bridge.
Hide?
Yeah, would that be fun? This bridge. All right. Now, you can sit on that one right there, okay? How about that? Okay. Oh, Ryder, we got a little guy. He's so tiny. He's so tiny. Can you grab it for us? Oh, I got it. All right. Wow, the drop shot got us a tiny little long ear. Cool. Look at that, dude. Ah. So I think that might be it for us. I think I'm ready to move on. Well, we can go to the store to get some worms. And we can move on to another spot. All right, dude. You ready to do this? We're going to the place you wanted to go, the creek. Remember you were like, please, we go to the creek, Dad?
Yeah, I went where I'm going.
Where the waterfall is? Yeah, we're gonna go there. Oh, don't look so sad. We were just gonna look here real quick. But they don't want our plastic lure. Oop, that was one. Nice. Nice. Big green sunfish, dude. Cool.
You're like, let me go. Eat that.
Whoa. Nice, man. Cool. What do you think, dude?
Good.
Whoa. Look up at me. What do you think? Good? All right, should I put him back? All right, here's one worm. These are big guys. We can't use the whole thing like we do with the little red worms, huh? Okay. All right, here we go. Ready? Wow. He's tiny. It's a little red spotted sunfish. All right. Go, go, go. Okay. Got him. We got him, Ryder. What is it? Ooh. Can you name this one?
What?
Can you name this fish? Let me see. I caught it earlier. Got green on his cheek.
Green sunfish?
Yeah, green sunfish. Flop, flop, flop. There he goes. Oh, here he goes. He's on. He's on. You want him?
Some kind of bait.
Okay, you found a bait. That's cool. Oh, nice.
He's a flying fish.
He is a flying fish.
He's swinging. Whee!
He is swinging. Another little green sunfish. Got him. Oh, Ryder, those are beautiful dollar sunfish, dude. That's what's right there. Got him. Nice. Check it out, dude. Oh, man, these fish are so cool looking.
And they're beautiful.
Whoa, dude. Is that cool? Oh, those are so pretty. Oh, other guy wrong guy got it. Let go. Okay, big guy got it. There you go. There you go. Swing it over this way. Okay, don't reel it up. There you go. Swing it up to me. Yeah, dude. Nice. Oh, Ryder, this one's even prettier. Yeah, here you go. They won't bite. Here, I need to hold it up for a picture. Hold your little fingers on there. There you go. Now hold them up for me. Nice, dude. That's so cool. Here, I'll take one with my camera. Don't throw them away yet. Man, those were so awesome, Ryder. I'm pretty excited we found those.
Those are really pretty.
They were really pretty, huh?
Until we go to the dam now.
Toward the dam? All right, I see one more big fish there. It might be a bass.
Where?
I can't get him to bite. Oh, that's him. That's him. Nice.
Swim.
Swam. Boom. We got a bass too.
Tiny.
He is tiny, but hey, he's still a bass. Cool.
Crazy bass.
Crazy bass?
Wiggle him away.
Wiggle him away. Nice, dude.
Wiggle.
Haha. Another green sunfish.
But he's too tiny.
He is too tiny, but
We got one.
we did get one.
Last time I
Whoa.
saw him.
We got a warmouth.
Whoa.
Cool.
Last time I saw him go.
Nice, dude. Look. Little guy, but cool warmouth, huh? They like hiding under those sticks. Man, I think our drop shot is the way to go, huh? So we can lay it right against stuff and try and get fish to come out. How about right here, Ryder? This hole. Ha-ha! We got him. He was hiding in there. Another greenie. Come with me, right here. You got this. Ready? One. You got it. 1, 2, 3. Big jump, and I'm gonna help you across. Okay, ready? 1. Do you like this? big deep leg kick, or leg push. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, nice. What is it? A lot of shells? Oh, cool. Whoa, look, a little alligator. A little tiny one in the water right there. He's got a dragonfly on his head. That's cool. Yeah, that was pretty neat. Look, he's just right there hanging out.
Is he hanging out being our buddy?
Well, I don't know if he's our buddy, but he's not our enemy. Oh, the alligator's swimming toward our bait. Oh, Ryder, got one. Big one. You want this? Or no? Nope. Just straight up nope. Huh? All right, well, Dad'll fish for it. Here he is. Oh, nice bluegill. Dude. That's a nice gill. Cool. Nice, dude. Ryder, look. Check it out. Bluegill. Big one. Oh, there's a fish. He's right by the alligator, too. He bumped the alligator, Ryder. It's in the, whoa, the alligator swimming toward it. What do we got? Another little bluegill. Cool. Yeah, he wants our fish, doesn't he? Oh, that was a bad one. There we go. Whoa. Now he's close. Look. We got him to swim right up to us. Oh no, I lost my worm. Whoa. Big one. Yeah. All right, let me get this big one in and I'll take a look. Whoa.
Now, do you want to see my collection?
Yes, I want to see your collection. Whoa, that's quite the shell collection. Oh no, Mr. Bluegill, you're in the wrong water. Oh. Whoa. Nice gill, dude. And nice collection, Ryder. Now where are you going? You're going what? Look for more shells? All right. You're the shell hunter? Okay. Hey, dude, whatever makes you happy on a fishing trip. Oh. Look, Ryder. Oh, he tried to eat the fish. Whoa. Whoa, he's trying to eat the fish. Whoa, 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 whoa. That alligator's crazy. Watch, here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Whoa! Again, now let's leave this poor fish alone. Whew, that was cool. You got lucky, Mr. Bluegill. That was neat, huh? If we could get a Raider sunfish, I think we're doing good. Oh, we got another one on. Whoa. Oh, another nice bluegill. Another nice bluegill. Sweet. You finding more shells? While you're finding shells, Dad's finding fish. Shell hunter and fish hunter. Huh. Another little bluegill. Oh, oh, big fish. Oh, and the alligator tried to get him. Nice try, buddy. That was funny. That alligator tried to eat our fish. Whoa. Uh-oh. Well, guess that bluegill's in the creek now. Whoa. That alligator tried to get him. Alright. Ryder, I think it's time we blow this popsicle stand, huh? Alright, dude.
We're talking here.
Uh-oh, somebody left their worms? Just dirt? It's okay, don't mess with it. It could be yucky. That's okay. Here, just put it in here. More trash, huh? More trash? Okay. I think that's enough. Alright, let's do some fishing. We'll go up to the corner over there and do some fishing, okay? Well, you are good at grabbing trash, buddy. Good job. We got one. Hey, we got one. Whoa, we really got one. He took it deep. Can we what? Fish under there? Whoa, Ryder, come here. You picked a good spot, buddy. Look along here. Look, dude. Whoa. That's pretty, huh? Oh, that's a gorgeous male. Nice, dude. Got it. Nice, dude. Another long ear.
Is it a female or a male?
Looks like a little female. Sweet, dude. Check it out. She took our worm too, which is perfect because we need to go. Okay, back to the car. Let's do it. Well, that's going to do it for another home movie. Be kind, please rewind. And we hope that this video gives you the confidence to go out there and do this kind of fishing with your own family. Ryder, anything else to add?
If you bring the kids fishing.
Well said. See you next time.
Sound of Fun Fishing. Subscribe, please.